Tired of letting your Amazon Pay balance collect dust? Let's turn that digital cash into a giftable treat, or a treat for yourself, by buying an Amazon gift card. First, fire up your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that holds your Amazon Pay balance. This is super important. Next, click on the search bar at the top of the page, type in Amazon gift card and hit enter. Alright, now you'll see a whole bunch of Amazon gift card options you can choose from, different designs, denominations, and even delivery methods like eGift cards or physical gift cards. Pick the gift card you want. For this example, let's choose an eGift card. Now you'll be able to customize it. You can select the amount you want to load onto the card. Then enter the recipient's email address. This is where the eGift card will be sent if you're buying it for yourself. Just put in your own email. Scroll down to the payment options. You should see your Amazon Pay balance listed as a payment method. Select it. If your Amazon Pay balance doesn't fully cover the gift card amount, you'll be prompted to add another payment method. Finally, review your order. Make sure the amount, recipient email, and payment method are all correct. Click place your order, and boom, your Amazon gift card is on its way, paid for with your Amazon Pay balance. Now you can put a smile on someone's face or treat yourself to something special. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Amazon tips and tricks.